Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, as you know, you can see by the box, we've got something incredible in the shop by CRKT. So stay tuned after we roll that intro, and we're going to get right into it. Okay guys, as you saw by that intro, we're going to take a look at the CRKT 2903 folding, and please forgive me, I know I'm going to butcher this. Hissatsu? It's a Japanese name. I really suck at trying to pronounce them, so that's the best I can do. Hissatsu. Anywho. Okay, so this is a James Williams design, and I gotta say it before I even show the blade, he is America's preeminent martial artist. He is the prepper's prepper. He designs incredible weapons for the special operations community, and this guy he's a badass. But anywho, here it is. Now, let me back this up. Okay. This is the Hissatsu. Now, I know it looks a little bit like another James Williams blade we just brought to the channel, but anywho, let's get into this. It's got an overall length of 8.75 inches. Closed, it's 5 inches. The blade itself is 3.875, and it comes in with a little bit of a hefty weight of 5.8 ounces. Now, what I love about this blade, this was designed for the Spec Ops community for their close quarters battle. There's times where you got to get downright dirty, get downright nasty, and this is a blade that will help you do it. Now, it's got a plain blade edge. Not too sure if you can see it right there. Okay. Now, the steel on the blade is AUS 8 steel with an HRC rating of 58 to 59. It's got a black corrosion resistance coating as its finish. And I gotta tell you, I kind of like it. The black on black adds something to this. And I hope you can see that right there. I think that's his watermark or his name, whatever, in Japanese. I don't know. Haven't been able to confirm it through different various sites. Now, I gotta tell you straight out, this is the one thing about this blade that I hate. The handle is glass reinforced nylon. It's freaking plastic. But the only thing I think is a little redeeming, it's got little texturized grips in here. It's kind of broken up. But still, it's freaking plastic, man. You're a badass. Why the hell would you go plastic? But as you can see right here, it has a liner lock. And the one thing that I gotta tell you, honestly, when I bought it, I went, all right, I kind of like that. After playing with it a little bit, not so much. It's got the lock system. Now that stands for Lake and Walker Knife Safety. Basically, this little guy right here, that's an extra pin going right into the blade that will not let you close it until you move that to the rear. Then your liner lock just moves out of the way. I get it, but it's like, what in the hell? You know? It's just my feeling. Now, I love how they it's got the patented outburst spring-assisted opening. Here's my issue with that. That's me pushing it pretty hard. If this is designed for close quarters battle, alright, you're pulling it from wherever. You're grabbing it however. That will get you killed. Those extra couple seconds that you have to push and grunt and do whatever to try to get it deployed, that is going to mess your day up. Now, it doesn't have thumb studs. It's got what I call a paddle system. So either side, you can use your thumb to deploy it, but it's like, what in the heck? And I was doing a lot of looking earlier. Sorry, hold on. Going over flashlights and whatnot. I don't know if you can see right in there. Those are its little, the bushings and whatnot, the bearings. They don't look like they're actually evenly spaced. They really don't. So I don't know if that's what's causing part of the problem. Now, I love the fact he's really inspired by Japanese culture. So the blade shape itself is the classic samurai clip point. It has awesome penetrating power. As you can see here, a little thing. When you're stabbing through, and it's just going to keep running its way through. Not to mention exceptional slashing performance. I mean, if you just think about that, going right down. Or stabbing and pulling out. It's just unbelievable. And one of the things I like that James did is the blade length is under the legal limit in most jurisdictions for what you can actually carry safely. Now, what we usually do is we took a look at the costs and the ratings and all that great crap. Over on CRKT, this blade's website is going to, this blade's website, listen to me. On CRKT's website, this blade is going to cost you $99.99. Over on Amazon, it's going to cost you $49.99 with free shipping. It doesn't have a single review, which makes me go, okay, what the hell, over on CRKT's website. And over on Amazon, it's rated 4.4 out of 5 stars. And it got a lot of 1-star reviews because of the plastic handles. And as I showed you, how hard it is to deploy. But, that's my look at it, guys. I want to know what you think down below, please. Leave me your questions, your comments. You guys know the drill by now. If you are a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to take a look at one of these videos. Now, you're going to be seeing a little symbol popping up over here. That's going to be my company logo. Go ahead and click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you click on that subscribe thing, go ahead and click on the bell icon that's like right next to it. That's going to notify you every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, you're going to see 2 upload over here. One of those is going to be our 300th subscriber giveaway. Now, go click on that little video. That's going to give you all the details you're going to need. Trust me, you want to watch that video. You want to watch that video. What's that from, Futurama? If I had a Hypno Frog, I'd probably put it right here. But you guys, there we go. This is the Hissatsu. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.